What's up, lads? We really had a roller coaster trade yesterday, as you can see over here. That I entered over here yesterday as short, aiming for these lows or any of these lows. But as you can see, the market went higher at first, went lower, then went higher, and left my stop loss with just this wick, and then went lower again, took out these lows, but still respecting the OT level from this low to that high. And then went higher again, went lower again, and they will land, nah, just kidding, I'm gonna take your stop loss. And then boom, it just went so much higher, and it took the previous high as well. And yeah, it took this freaking my stop loss as well. So let's start the analysis today, and let's see what we did wrong and what we did right. So on the weekly time frame, let's start from the monthly one. This is the monthly time frame, and we have this fair value gap labeled as purple. And this fair value gap, I guess, just opened, and we have dipped inside this fair value gap. We are respecting its consequent encouragement for now, right? And this is the bearish fair value gap. So that means if we are respecting a bearish fair value gap, price should go bearish. And on the weekly one, we are hitting this auto block, we are inside this auto block, right? And on daily one, we were, and like yesterday, like before this candle, this, like yesterday we were inside this candle, white candle. So yesterday we were still respecting this daily fair value gap perfectly. And also the OT level, let me show you. From that high to this low, we were perfectly respecting this as well. So let's go to the 4-hour one. As we had very, like very tasty lows over here, I really wanted market to take out these lows, and I know we are gonna take these out maybe today or tomorrow, like somewhat today or tomorrow. So what I wanted to see in all this Monday, I've been wanting to these highs to be taken out, and this high as well, and I wanted price to retrace from this high to this low, and it did. Look at the 1-hour chart over here. This is the bullish fair value gap. Market came down, respect this 4-hour fair value gap as well, respecting its consequent encouragement, making this an inversion one, and then going higher. And then we have this bullish fair value gap that I wanted market to respect, and it did. And at the start of London session, this was a London session trade, right? So this is the 2 a.m. candle. I wanted market to take these Asian highs as well. Yeah, so it was a kind of a Judas swing setup. We opened over here, we went higher, we took out these all like Asia's highs, and this is the OT level, guys, from here to here. Look, from here to here. Now just notice how perfectly we were respecting the OT level, right? Just notice it over here. Now I'm gonna delete it so y'all can see clearly. Don't get so confused. These lines are the quadrants of this daily fair value gap. All right. Now after taking the Asian session, I wanted market to take out this low in order to make break of structure, of course, but we had this 50-minute time frame fair value gaps. So I was like, let me just use this 50-minute time frame fair value gap as an inversion one in order to take entry, right? So I took entry somewhere over here, which got executed over here. So yeah, that's not really a big deal. I entered over here, set my stop loss above the bodies. I wanted to keep a bit tight stop loss, but still above the OT level from that high to this. Wait, my mouse is weird. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, wait. From that high to this low. And market retraced back inside this OT level as well. And my stop loss was just right there. And market didn't take it first. It was like, nah man, we're not gonna take it right now. And then it went down, took out these lows, and then went up again, went down again, and then it was like, nah, we're gonna take them. We're really gonna take them. And I'm like, okay, mate, just take it, bruh. So this was a really weird trade I just had yesterday, and I was actually aiming for these lows, but I would have taken a partial low for some. I would have done something to manage this trade over somewhere if it comes over here, because this is just very big, even on the 50-minute time frame. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, and at this point, I think there are two things that I didn't do. I have noticed a lot that London sessions in Euro USD, they are they are not the real moves. Mostly, the real moves are actually New York sessions. London session is often, like making a setup for New York session. So, and even at this point, the day was just A. The day was not A plus. A plus day is actually Thursday for me. Wednesday is not really a good day for me, but I still wanted to take that trade anyway. But at this point, if you see the DXY was here. Like DXY was here. It was not, you know what? It was not really inside the discount range. It was over here. Wait, it didn't even wait. Oh yeah, so DXY didn't even came to the discount range. The London session started over here and it took out the Asian low as well, but it did not come to the discount range, bro. How could I not see that? That is weird. I shouldn't have taken that trade. But it's okay. No, I'm gonna learn the hard way. And when you learn the hard way, then it really sits in your mind. You know what I mean, right? So now, as the Asian session has came down and it is respecting this bullish fair value gap. I believe this is a daily one or a weekly one. I'm not so sure anymore. But and it is also respecting the OT level as well. But now, if you see, we still have some pretty good lows over here that I'll be wanting market to take out before New York session, before today's New York session. And if it does, then on Euro USD, you should also take out those highs, because these highs can be the problem. You know what I mean? Because if you look at it for now, we have buy side over here as well, and we have a lot of sell side as well. So yeah, this is gonna make a bit of problem, right? So that is why I wanna run to ran out those highs. And yep. And then we'll be looking for short trades, aiming for these lows. Some really, really sell side liquidity over here. So hope you guys liked it and learned something from it. Y'all should really check out this live stream for a roller coaster experience for real. So yeah. If you find it informative, hit the bell icon for the more incoming live streams, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.